by and take a look at the 2021 RAV4 Prime. The Toyota RAV4 Prime offers high-end hybrid technology with the SUV platform. With the technology, space, and overall good looks, it's no surprise this hybrid SUV is turning heads and is priced below $45,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.